Welcome to AI Growth Pathways. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting advancements in AI music, Mubert. Mubert is an incredible platform that helps you make music tracks for any project. What is the best part if you want to create a royalty-free track using AI at the test step? Mubert combines real musicians' creativity with AI's precision, ensuring every track you create has a unique touch. Mubert is an AI-powered music platform that offers tools for generating custom music with tracks, loops, mixes, and jingles. Their philosophy blends human artistry with AI power, so human musicians are fairly compensated when you use or purchase a track. Now let's get started to discover the platform's capabilities. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create music tracks on Mubert and show how you can customize tracks based on genres, moods, and activities. If you'd like to explore further, we've linked a detailed blog post below covering more features on Mubert. Step-by-step guide to creating a track on Mubert. Sign up. First, go to Mubert's website or click the link in the video's description and sign up by clicking Sign Up at the top right. Follow the steps to create your account. Generating your first track. Once you've logged in, let's generate a track. Type in a style you'd like to create in the prompt section. For example, let's go with create a pop rock fusion track with catchy guitar riffs, punchy drums, and an anthemic vibe to fuel summer road trips, new friendships, and moments of freedom under the open sky. Next, choose the format of the track you want. You can select from a full track, a loop, a mix, or a jingle. We'll go with a track option. Set the duration of your track. Let's leave it at 45 seconds for now. Finally, click Generate Track, and Mubert will create a unique piece of music based on your input. Listening and customizing. Once the track is ready, click to give it a listen. If you like what you hear, great. If not, you can create similar tracks by hitting the lightning icon on the right of the list or the Generate Similar button under the wave of the music piece to explore variations on the same style. Managing and saving your tracks. You can access all your generated tracks from the top left under My Generated Tracks. You'll see a list of all the ones you've created. You can download each track directly by clicking the download icon on the right. Using additional customization tools, genres, moods, and activities, Mubert offers more ways to create music based on genres, moods, and activities if you're not sure exactly what you want. Genres. Let's say you want to create a Italo disco track. Select that genre from the options, and Mubert will guide the creation accordingly. Moods. If you want a motivational or uplifting vibe, choose the mood filter. This option is a great tool if you're going for a specific feel without needing to pick a genre. Activities. If you want to match your music to an activity, you can create background tracks for activities like sleeping, focusing, or energizing workouts. Creating loops for background music. Mubert also allows you to create loops that are ideal for continuous background music. Select the loop option, set your preferred duration, and generate. Loops automatically transition smoothly from end to start, making them perfect for backgrounds in videos or presentations. Exploring the Mubert Explorer. If you'd rather browse existing music, the Mubert Explorer is a fantastic resource. Here you'll find tracks created by other users, categorized by mood, genre, theme, playlist instrument, and even BPM. Click Generate a Track Now from the homepage and search for tracks that meet your needs. For example, if you need mood music, click Moods from Explore and preview the options to find the right track for your project. You can even regenerate similar track versions by clicking the lightning icon or the Generate Similar button. I could say there are too many options for your specific project from Mubert AI. Mubert's pricing. Mubert offers several subscription plans based on your needs. Free Ambassador Plan. Great if you're exploring and testing Mubert's capabilities. Creator Plan. This plan is ideal for content creators who need royalty-free music for videos, social media posts, and other projects. Pro Plan. This plan is perfect for indie game developers or small to medium-sized projects. It includes commercial use rights for ads, radio, and more. Business Plan. This is designed for large agencies creating media like movies or TV shows and includes a dedicated Mubert account manager. You can also purchase single-track licenses if you only need one track. Options range from social media use to in-app music and digital ads, with licenses tailored for different commercial needs. You'll need a paid plan to access that feature if you prefer a single track without the Mubert watermark. Is Mubert right for you? Mubert is a powerful tool for generating unique music quickly and affordably. While it doesn't replace a human musician's artistry, Mubert offers a time-saving and cost-effective option for creating music that fits your needs. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand how to use Mubert to create music, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and AI reviews from AI Growth Pathways. See you in the next video.